everybody, this is Mia from Basically Soap, and today I'm coming to you with a video about the weather change and how it's affecting our skin and the different things that we have to adjust to and adapt to when keeping our skin moisturized with our skin routine, our cleansing routine, and everything. So I wanted to talk about a special bar that I've already talked about a couple of times in some videos, and it is my pine tar bar of soap. Here's the label. As we transition from summer to fall in the Northeast, that's where I live, in the Northeast. So our weather has been getting colder, but we'll get these like warm days. But once it gets to night, it's pretty cold. So I do have my heat on. Air becomes less humid and the temperatures drop and it becomes drier. That protective barrier your skin relies on to break down, and that protective barrier that your skin relies on starts to break down, and that leads to dryness, it leads to flakiness and very uncomfortable tight skin. And if you're like me, your skin starts to itch when it gets to these types of temperature changes, especially when it's dramatic and your body is just not used to it anymore. So let's get to the next point. So you'll have a lot of moisture loss with that, as well as increased irritation, which is the which is the itchy skin that you may have on your arms. I know I have itchy like right here, right on my bra line, as well as on my shins. Like those are the spots that get itchy and dry. Like I'll start to see dry patches if I'm not keeping it moisturized enough or using the right type of soap. Cooler weather can slow down your skin's ability to renew its processes, and that leads to buildup in dead skin cells that make your complexion look dull and feel rough. Now, again, I get this as well because I also have eczema, and my eczema acts up when the weather changes. So one day the skin on my feet looks fine, feels fine. The next day I look at it and it looks like just a patch of it. It's not the whole thing, it's just a patch, and it's a different color. The texture feels like I don't want to say flaky, but it doesn't feel moisturized at all. It feels very dry, but not brittle, just like a soft, dry film or something. I know. So yeah, these weather conditions is allowing our skin to be more susceptible to these, different skin concerns that we have. And so that's why I made my pine tar soap. Now this is scented with cedarwood oil, cedarwood, fir needle, peppermint, blood orange, and I think that is it. It smells amazing, because if you've never smelled pine tar before, it smells like a chimney. So to give that smoky chimney smell, just a little bit of elegance, I added these essential oils, and it smells amazing. Like, smells amazing. And this bar consists of organic coconut oil, sunflower oil. I use aloe vera as my water portion, so aloe vera, almond oil, shea butter, of course pine tar, castor oil, my favorite, my number one, my ace, as well as wheat germ, bentonite clay, tapioca starch, and sea salt, as well as Tulsa silk. I like to put a little silk in my soap bars. So pine tar is absolutely essential to your skin routine when the weather weather changes and it's cold and frigid outside, especially if you have easily sensitive skin. Like if your skin is very sensitive, it reacts to different things, especially the weather, and you know this over time. Sometimes you have to switch up your soap bar and use something that is more powerful and will give you more moisture to help adapt to those frigid temperatures. Because like we don't know like what's going on. We are putting our clothes on. We're not seeing things that's happening. We're going to sleep. And then the next day or hours later, like you have a rash or this itches, or it doesn't even look like you use moisturizer on your skin at all. So pine tar, it is deeply moisturizing, has deep moisturizing properties. It draws moisture to the skin and helps lock in while the cold air is trying to strip your skin of hydration. Pine tar soap is working overtime to keep moisture barrier intact. Isn't that awesome? Like it is working to keep your moisture barrier intact. Like, why wouldn't you want that on your side? Why wouldn't you? It has anti-inflammatory properties that redness and irritation from cold winds and indoor heating. You know that indoor heat makes your skin dry. Like I have central air and gas heat or whatever, and it blows. And I have to run sometimes a humidifier to get some moisture in the air. Like because like my lips be all chapped when I wake up, like my throat be dry. I always have a water bottle in my room by the table. Always. But you know what? I have found out a good trick for helping keep humidity in your bedroom. Excuse me. But helping keep humidity in your bedroom for free or for a very low cost. You get a jar and you not fill it, but you pour at least halfway with water and you set it by the vent that is blowing in your room. That water will help moisten that dryness and bring humidity into, try that. It works. Okay, so now, again about the anti-inflammatory properties. That redness and irritation from the cold winds and indoor heating, pine tar's powerful anti-inflammatory properties that calm anger, irritated skin, it soothes on contact. And helps reduce that uncomfortable inflammation that comes with seasonal changes. There's plenty of testimonials about pine tar and its benefits. All you have to do is Google it. Ask ChatGPT, one of them AI joins. Like, it's been around for a while. They use it for horse hooves to moisturize those. So, like, if it's penetrating that, our skin is nothing compared to a horse hoof. Like, I want all those healing properties. I want it fighting for my immune system, for my skin barrier, all that. I want some pine tar soap. It is a natural antiseptic. As your skin barrier weakens in cold weather, you are more prone to bacterial and fungal issues. Pine tar is a natural antiseptic that keeps your skin clean and protected without stripping away essential oils like harsh chemical soaps will do. So it's not stripping that layer of oil that you naturally produce. It's not stripping that. It's like adding a bonus to that. Like it's like supersizing it. Like that's what it's doing. I'm trying to think of, a cartoon character. I know Dragon Ball Z, but I forget what the names are. Super Saiyan. They're gonna Super Saiyan it. Yeah. Super Saiyan those properties. That moisturization. Those healing factors. and characteristics for your skin. Pine tar soap gently helps remove dead skin cells without being harsh or abrasive to the skin. This keeps your skin looking fresh and allows your moisturizers to penetrate better. Like, all this stuff is just boosting what you already have. It's going supersonic on your cells. You want something fighting for your cells like this. Some of us look a little bit much older than like we should be. How old do I look? Now, if you've been watching my videos, I've talked about how old I am. I'm not going to say it in this video because I want you to tell me, how old do I look? I've been making soap since 2015, 2016, and I have not bought a commercial brand of soap since 2017. Like, this stuff is real. Natural healing properties from natural ingredients. No harsh chemicals. None of that. Just natural ingredients here that's on the earth. People have been using them for years and years. And I think you deserve to be using it too. You deserve to have smooth, moisturized, unirritated skin. You deserve to have your inflammation taken away, all that irritation gone, those itchy spots, those dry patches, that oily layer that just won't go away on your forehead or your nose. Get you a bar of Basically Soap Pine Tar Soap. This will definitely balance your skin and get it right. It's working overtime. All right, let me move on. So it also maintains the skin's pH. Now the pH is around like 5, I think, for the skin. And so that is, more on the acidic level. And that is healthy for our balance of our skin and our oils and our pores and stuff. Like, that's what they need to be. And some of those harsh chemicals in these commercial brands, well, all of them, it's not balanced. They are not balanced. Okay, let me read my little note. Unlike commercial soaps that can throw your skin's pH way off, especially problematic in dry weather, Pine Tar Soaps helps maintain your skin's natural pH balance. This is crucial for keeping that protective barrier strong during harsh weather months. Like, what else do you need, folks? What else do you need me to tell you about Pine Tar? Like, it's the bomb diggity. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. You can find this bar on my website at www.basicallysoap.com, as well as you can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Facebook. I have a LinkedIn. I have a YouTube channel. I'm not sure if I'm going to put this on YouTube or not, but I have a YouTube channel as well as a TikTok. And you can follow me on all those things. You can subscribe. And if this is on YouTube, like, people, share this information. There's somebody out there that is struggling with skin issues and challenges, and they need a solution. They need a solution. Here it is. All right, see you next time.